Evolution of life forms, a theory. According to theory of special creation which was given by old religious literature, it believed that all living organisms which we see today are created as such. That is, God or some magical creation, or we can say some special creator created us as such as we are at present. Diversity was same and will be same in future. That is, the diversity which we see amongst ourselves, plants and animals, it is same since the time of creation and it will be same even in the future. Earth is 4000 years old. This theory of special creation also believed that Earth is 4000 years old. But this theory was challenged in 19th century when Charles Darwin worked on the theory of natural selection, in which he said survival of fittest, that is the one which is adaptive towards the external environment, is fit to survive. Nature itself selects the fittest and then the fittest survive. Thus he gave us this theory of natural selection which says that amongst many organisms, their races, species or whatever, it is believed that survival of fittest occurs. And by survival of fittest, he meant reproductive fitness, because if reproductive fitness is witnessed, then only the reproductive or reproducingly fit organism will give rise to increased or much more number of progeny, or will leave behind maximum number of generations. Thus, and he also said that variations occurs. These variations are believed since extinction has occurred. We have dug out the fossils, we have seen in those fossils that yes, the variation in the formation of bones, limbs, etc. is gradually occurring and has occurred. So Charles Darwin in 19th century, the theory of special creation was challenged. Then Charles Darwin gave us theory of natural selection, which told us that survival of fittest occurred and variation occurred and is occurring. That's why extinctions occurred. Evidence for evolutions: fossils, rock sediments. Then we can see the cross section of rock sediments. You will see fossils of different ages, different aged rock sediments, etc. are found, in which many dug out mammoths, dinosaurs, etc., their bones, etc. have been found. These gave us the evidence of evolution. Divergent evolution is one which states that same anatomically the structure is same, but it is having different usage. Example is the structure, the anatomical structure of bones and limbs in case of whales, bats, cheetah and human beings is quite similar, but their function is very different amongst four. Convergent evolution. In this, the structure is anatomically not same. Here the same structure was there, but the usage was different. Here the anatomical structure is not similar, but it is having same usage. Example could be wings. You can see butterflies also having wings and birds are also having wings, but the anatomical structure of both the wings are very different. Now, the another evidence of evolution was moths. In 1815 England, when moths were collected or was seen, it was seen that their wings were white colored, that is, they were light in color. But in 1920, after industrialization, when these moths were again seen, it was found that they have now changed into black colored, or their wings have more melanin. It was believed for the fact that initially the trunk of the stem of the trees were white. So that's why the moths were white colored. They were adaptive to their environment so that predators cannot see and eat them. But later on, when industrialization took place, as the trunk and the stem of the tree got colored due to tar deposition, etc., the moth also evolved into black colored wings so that they are not being caught, because if they will be white colored, their wings are white colored and stem has gone dark, it will be contrasting background and hence predator can see them easily. So thus it proved, this theory of evolution and gave us the evidence for evolution.